The full moon phenomenon occurs when the Earth is exactly between the Sun and the Moon. This orientation allows the entire face of the Moon that faces us to shine with sunlight. Thanks to the Moon's orbit around the Earth, the angle at which sunlight hits the Moon's surface and is reflected back to Earth varies. This creates the different lunar phases. The time interval between a full moon and the next repetition of the same lunar phase syzygy is on average about 29.53 days. Due to irregularities in the lunar orbit, new and full moons can vary from the average by up to 13 hours. If you don't observe a new moon at the beginning of the month to confirm the date locally, there may be an additional 12 hours difference depending on your time zone. The full moon in December, which occurs at the start of winter in the northern hemisphere, is known as the cold moon. It is also called the long night moon or the pre-Yule moon. The December full moon will reach its peak brightness on Sunday, December 12, 15. This follows the beaver moon, which is the full moon in November. The December full moon is the last full moon of the year. Full moon names often correspond to seasonal markers, so a harvest moon occurs at the end of the growing season, in September or October, and the cold moon occurs in frosty December. At least, that's how it works in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, where the seasons are switched, the harvest moon occurs in March and the cold moon is in June. Because the moon is constantly revolving around the Earth, strictly speaking, a full moon is only for a moment. This means that the exact time of the full moon on some parts of Earth is during the day. However, when more than 98% of the lunar disk is illuminated, the moon can appear full a day before or after, making it difficult to tell the difference between a full moon and the final stage of a first quarter or the beginning of a last quarter.